Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RH9638. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Rowenta RH9638 trigger isn't working, you're likely facing a frustrating situation. This problem can arise for various reasons, including wear and tear or a mechanical failure within the trigger mechanism. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further complications and render your vacuum cleaner completely unusable. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools, a small screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, and possibly a replacement trigger. Let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your Rowenta RH9638 is switched off and unplugged for safety. Carefully locate the screws on the handle, which may require a small screwdriver to remove. Once you've unscrewed them, gently pry open the handle, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the handle open, you should be able to see the trigger mechanism. The most common component that fails is the spring or the plastic trigger itself. If you can see any broken parts, take note of their positions. Using your tweezers, carefully extract the faulty trigger from its housing. When replacing the trigger, make sure to align it correctly with any notches or grooves. If you have a replacement part, simply insert it in the same position as the old one. Be cautious with the screws, they should be tightened just enough to hold everything in place without being overly forceful, as this could strip the threads. Remember to reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during the process, ensuring they are secure but not pinched. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully snap the handle closed and replace the screws. Make sure everything is secure before plugging in the device and testing the trigger. It should now function properly, allowing you to get back to cleaning. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, regularly inspect the trigger and handle for any signs of wear. Keeping your device clean and free of debris can also help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.